Annyeonghaseyo. So this is Teacher Jan of sa Akdos. I already purchased 1,000 worth of snack. So this will be distributed every day after their class. So this will be for 3 days, starting today, Wednesday, Thursday, and till Friday. So this is 100 snack. So I will be giving one each every day after class. Okay, so this is actually from my Muntangin. Okay, ha? So these are my self-study students. So I will be distributing, or we will be distributing the snack. So one each every day. So manghatag mi og snack Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday after class. Nya usa-usa lang. Okay? Okay, so please give some, Teacher Marlisa. So get one each. So today is Wednesday. Then we will still be distributing snack Thursday and Friday. Okay, so please stand up. And that is from Maayong Buntagnim.
Maayong Buntagnim, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Okay, so these are my regular students. So I will be distributing one snack every day. So we will be distributing like today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. One snack every after class. Okay? And that is from Maayong Buntagnim. Okay? So please distribute sure. Okay, please stand up. And that is from Maayong Buntagnim.
Maayong Buntagnim, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Okay, so these are my special students. Okay, so Maayong Buntagnim gives us a snack. So I will be distributing one snack after class. So we will be distributing today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 3 days of distributing snacks. But one each after class. Okay? So please distribute sure. Okay, please stand up. And that is from Maayong Buntagnim.
Maayong Buntagnim, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. So these are my regular students. So since today is Independence Day, we are celebrating Araw ng Kalayaan. So they are making or like doing a drawing which is related to the Araw ng Kalayaan. So some of them also draws like national tree, national flag, national fish, like that. And earlier my self-study. Draw this one since today is Araw ng Kalayaan. So these are the drawings that is related to the Independence Day. Here we go. So these are from my self-study students. Okay, so I also bought this is 30 folders and 30 fasteners. So all their activities will be placed in here. So we will gonna put a name here. So this for our activity sheets. 감사합니다.